Do you think that the US administrations for the past 25 years have now given up their view that India is needed for counterbalancing China? Do you think the United States has moved beyond that? And if it has moved beyond that, what it has moved into?
No, I don't think the US has moved beyond it. I don't think especially I don't think the bureaucracies have. I can't speak for the patina of officials in the Trump administration. What unfortunately many of the Trump officials are not terribly expert in their field. So it's very tempting to just take them as the singular force that matters, but one does have to remember that we have this complicated bureaucracy, and this bureaucracy has been really working towards this relationship for these 25 years. A lot of this bureaucracy has just been vitiated, right? We just lost thousands of State Department personnel. We don't have visibility into where that expertise was lost, but we do know that we've lost a lot of expertise in the bureaucracy. So the optimist in me would like to believe that the bureaucracy is going to hold it together. But the pessimist in me says this is 6 months and we've got 4 years of this Chutia. And I know I can't live in this country after 4 years.
This is the word on which I keep on saying in Urdu, and my many viewers object to it, that why do you use the word chutia? So you have ended up using it in an English discussion as well. So this is
Well, he is a Chutia. It's all feast and Chutia.
such is the humongous importance of the word chutia that at times you cannot describe a situation
Oh,
without
you don't know my license plate. My Virginia license plate is Chutia.